Imagine relaxing on a sunny beach in Hawaii with warm ocean waves, clear blue skies, and temperatures above 30 degrees Celsius. Now imagine driving for just a couple of hours and suddenly finding yourself surrounded by fresh snow. It sounds impossible, doesn't it? But this incredible experience is completely real. Hawaii, one of the most tropical places on Earth, receives snowfall almost every winter. So how can an island famous for beaches, surfing, and volcanoes also become a winter wonderland? The answer is hidden thousands of meters above sea level, where nature creates one of its most fascinating mysteries. Let's discover why it really snows in Hawaii. Most people think Hawaii is nothing more than a tropical paradise. Located in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, the Hawaiian Islands enjoy warm weather throughout the year. Millions of tourists visit to relax on beautiful beaches, explore rainforests, and experience the island's unique culture. With average temperatures between 24 and 30 degrees Celsius, snow seems almost impossible. But appearances can be deceiving. The island of Hawaii, also called the Big Island, is home to two giant volcanoes, Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa. These mountains rise more than 4,000 meters above sea level. At that height, the weather is completely different from the beaches below. To understand why, we need to understand how temperature changes with altitude. As you climb higher into the atmosphere, the air becomes thinner and colder. On average, the temperature drops by around 6.5 degrees Celsius for every 1,000 meters of elevation. By the time you reach the summit of Mauna Kea, the temperature is often below freezing, even while people are swimming in the warm Pacific Ocean just a few kilometers away. During the winter months, powerful storms travel across the North Pacific Ocean. These storms carry huge amounts of moisture toward Hawaii. When the moist air reaches the volcanoes, it is forced to rise higher into the atmosphere. As it rises, it cools rapidly. Once the temperature falls below freezing, the moisture turns into snow instead of rain. This is why Hawaii experiences snowfall almost every winter. Snow usually falls between December and March. Some years only a light dusting covers the volcanoes, while other years several feet of snow accumulate on the summits. During major storms, roads leading to Mauna Kea are often closed because driving becomes too dangerous. For many visitors, it's almost unbelievable. In the morning they can enjoy the beach wearing shorts and sandals, and by afternoon they are throwing snowballs on top of a volcano. Very few places on Earth offer such an extraordinary contrast. Mauna Kea is not only famous for snow. It is also one of the world's greatest places for astronomy. Because the summit sits above much of Earth's atmosphere, the air is dry, clean, and free from light pollution. These conditions make it perfect for observing distant galaxies, planets, and stars. That is why scientists from around the world have built powerful observatories on the summit of Mauna Kea. Every year, important discoveries about the universe begin from this mountain in Hawaii. Although Mount Everest is the tallest mountain above sea level, Mauna Kea is actually taller if measured from its true base on the ocean floor. From the bottom of the Pacific Ocean to its summit, Mauna Kea stands over 10,000 meters tall, making it taller than Mount Everest by total height. Most people never realize that nearly two-thirds of this giant mountain is hidden underwater. The second volcano, Mauna Loa, is equally incredible. It is the largest active volcano on Earth by volume. Lava has flowed from Mauna Loa many times throughout history, shaping much of the Big Island. Yet during winter, its summit can also be covered with snow. A volcano famous for hot lava can also become covered in ice and snow. Nature rarely creates such an amazing combination. Scientists believe rising global temperatures may reduce the amount of snow on Hawaii's highest peaks in the future. Although snowfall is still common today, researchers continue monitoring these mountains to understand how climate change may affect them. The mountains are also deeply important to native Hawaiian culture. For centuries, Mauna Kea has been considered a sacred place. Many native Hawaiians believe it connects the earth with the heavens. Today, the mountain represents both ancient traditions and modern science. Hawaii is also filled with many different climate zones. Visitors can travel through tropical beaches, rainforests, deserts, lava fields, alpine landscapes, and snow-covered mountaintops, all on the same island. So, does it really snow in Hawaii? The answer is absolutely yes. Not because Hawaii is a cold place, but because its massive volcanic mountains rise high enough into the freezing upper atmosphere. While warm ocean waves crash onto the beaches below, winter storms quietly blanket the volcanoes with fresh snow high above the clouds. The next time someone tells you Hawaii is only about sunshine and palm trees, you'll know the truth. Hidden above this tropical paradise lies a frozen world that most people never even imagine.